In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PDF Generator with Monday.com. We'll start on your Monday.com home. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to install apps in your account. If you're not an admin, an account admin may need to approve the installation. From the main interface, look for the small puzzle piece icon. That's the Apps Marketplace. Click it to open the catalog where you can add approved integrations and extensions to your workspace. Once the marketplace opens, you can browse categories, but the fastest route is to use the search bar. Type PDF Generator into the search. In the results, select Doc Export PDF Generator. This is the app that lets you turn board data into polished PDFs. On the app's listing page, review the overview if you'd like, then click Install App. You'll be asked where to install it. You can choose all workspaces or limit it to specific workspaces. Installing to all workspaces makes the app available across your account, which is convenient for teams that want consistent access. If you need tighter control, you can target specific workspaces instead. For now, select all workspaces and proceed with Install to confirm. After installation, you'll see a prompt to get started. You can begin with a template, which offers pre-built layouts, or you can start with your own workspace. Templates are great when you want a quick, structured format. For this walkthrough, choose Start with your own workspace so you can connect the app directly to the boards you already use. Next, pick the workspace where you plan to generate PDFs. Choose the one that contains the projects or items you'll export. Then select the board within that workspace. It's a good idea to choose a board that has the columns and fields you want to appear in your PDFs, like item names, owners, dates, and statuses. With the workspace and board selected, click Add App. This attaches Doc Export to that board so you can access it right from your Monday.com interface. From here, the app will appear in your board's Apps or Views area, ready to use with your items. If you installed it to all workspaces, you can repeat this connection on other boards as needed. That's the full setup. You've opened the marketplace, found Doc Export PDF Generator, installed it to all workspaces, chosen to start with your existing setup, selected your workspace and board, and added the app. From this point, you can explore layouts and export options within the app to create consistent, shareable PDFs from your Monday.com data.